on. I don't know about you, but gas prices are getting a little high. So I made the financial decision to completely cut all gas out of my life and start riding an e-bike everywhere. And I know what you're thinking, I know what you're saying, I know what you're sitting there muddling around in your brain. What a fucking dork. Well, let me just tell you this much. I don't think we're going to be putting any more dinosaurs in the ground, right? So at one point, this little oil well we have going on in the Middle East is going to end. Now, there's going to be two things that happen. You move all to electrical powered, or there's going to be an apocalypse with no gas. It's going to be like Mad Max style, like everybody's fighting each other. But I will live in a modern utopia because I will have a electric powered bicycle. And it's not like e-bikes cause any injuries. I mean, I've never seen anyone die on an e-bike.
Coming rough and right, I build more than them workers on construction sites.
I'm at a parking deck right now. I just drove here on the old e-bike, and let me just tell you, the driving was a lot of fun. I mean, I haven't drove a bike that fun ever, like ever. But the only issue's been is it's kind of fucking cold, and believe it or not, this e-bike doesn't come with a heater. But this has been a lot of fun driving it around. I mean, as far as I can tell, if it handles as good as this, like if it handles the desert as it's handling this, then I'm not worried at all with a apocalypse because we don't have any more gasoline. I actually implore we do that. Kinda raw. But I have one little critique, and maybe if someone in the comments want to point this out for me, they should add like an attachment you can add to the Radrunner, where it's like a tank, and you can put like petrol or like just gas in it, right? And it's like a motor inside the tank, and it sends out harmful fumes into the air. I really think that's a good attachment idea, and I personally would buy it. Yeah, but I really did like the bike a lot, and it's a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get moved down to my new home and ride it around everywhere. So, Radrunner, you did a fucking great job!